We're baking a classic today, Strawberry Shortcake for one. Golden biscuit, sweet berries, homemade whipped cream. This is comfort food disguised as dessert. We start with a half cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of lemon zest, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Get that all mixed together. 2 tablespoons of butter, softened of course. At this point, you can go ahead and mix this with your hand, a food processor, or pastry cutter. I'm going with my hand to get it good and crumbly. Once it's at that nice crumbly consistency, we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of cream. You can also use milk if you'd like. And 2. I'm going to mix that together real fast. With this mixer, since I have it out rather than using a spoon, then we're going to go ahead and get it all up into a ball. Put it out and give it a little smushy to flatten it out some. Now then, you don't need a biscuit cutter for this. Take a regular drinking glass. That's the perfect size. And just go straight down, do not twist. And there's one little biscuit. Take that second one, roll it up, match your thickness, and there we have it. A little piece of parchment paper, a Silpat, or just go ahead and grease the bottom of your baking tray. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on here. I'm gonna get a little bit of cream here on my brush to wipe on the top of these. I have a 1/4 teaspoon here. Lightly get some sugar on top of those. And then these will go in a 400 oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. So for our whipped cream, we're gonna start with 3/4 cup whipping cream, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Boop. The hulla berry, get its top all nice and fluffed up. Come in at an angle on one side of it, and an angle on the other side, and just like that, and ready to be sliced. For 2 biscuits, I'm going to hull out 5 berries. You can save that second biscuit, cover it with some country gravy, or just toast it up and add some butter. That or save it for the next dish, you can have this again. So there's 2 kinds of people, open face and stackers. Which one are you? I'm going to go ahead and put it together both ways. Top with some of our whipped cream, and then with berries. There's our open face. And now for the stackers, get our whipped cream, berries, and then that muffin top. There's a little bit of whipped cream on top with some berries up here, and there's the stacked way. It's Strawberry Shortcake, downsized but upgraded. Fresh berries, homemade whipped cream, a buttery biscuit, all for you. Because let's be honest, sharing's overrated. So whether you're an open face or a stack, now you can make Strawberry Shortcake just for yourself. The recipe's down below, along with a link to my solo cook survival guide. And if you want more dessert recipes, check this playlist.